How to make money online with affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2021. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make money online with affiliate marketing as a beginner. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly what strategy that you can use so you can make money online doing affiliate marketing, or you can say I will show you my one of the best method, guys. Right, but guys, here is my you can say disclaimer, guys. I don't give you guarantee that you will be able to make money, but as you can see, my results are not typical, but the strategy that I'm gonna show you, it is working for me. Right, so results depends, guys. Right, how you take the strategy, how you implement the thing, guys. Right, so guys, now here one more thing that I want to say. If you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have also put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. So yes, if you want, then yes, you can read my ebook. Down below there is a link. Right, so now here, without any delay, what you need to do, guys, simply, guys, very first step, guys, that I always say, guys, by the way, guys, you can see my results I have made. Very first thing, guys, I would say focus on one thing, guys. This was my blunder mistake, guys, that I did when I was doing affiliate marketing, guys. I was just like dabbling here and there. I was jumping here and there, so I wasn't focusing on one thing, guys. Right, so here I would say, guys, if you are beginner and somewhere you are struggling in your affiliate marketing business, then somewhere this one is the reason you are not focusing at one thing, guys. So go and focus on one thing. So here what I mean by that, so here my mean to say is that, guys, first you need to pick one problem that you want to solve, guys. So this is the first thing that you need to focus on. Here mean to say, guys, as you know that, guys, there are people, those who are looking for how to make money online doing affiliate marketing, or they want to know that how to start affiliate marketing business step by step. So this is the problem that I'm going to solve in the market. Right, so pick one problem that you want to solve in the market. Right, so yes, this is my one problem that I'm gonna solve, where people want to know how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. Right, so considering that problem, what I will do, guys, I will pick one affiliate product through which I'm going to solve the problem of my ideal customer, guys. This is very, very important, guys. Right, so yes, this is the problem, and considering that problem, pick the affiliate product that you are going to promote, or you can say pick the affiliate product through which you are going to solve this one particular problem. So guys, as in my case, people are looking for how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. So considering that, I have picked one program, that is Work With Sebastian program. So yes, this through this program, no doubt I will be able to make commission if someone buys its you can say its product, then yes, I will be able to make commission. Right, but side by side, what I'm doing, guys, I'm solving the problem of my ideal customer, where people are looking for how to start affiliate marketing business so that they can make money. So considering that, I'm promoting this product, guys. So same thing, guys, you need to pick one affiliate product through which you are going to solve the problem of your ideal customer. Second thing, guys. Third thing, guys, what you need to do, guys, go and create your own sales system, guys. I see that I struggled a lot in my affiliate marketing business. Why? Because I wasn't having my own sales system, guys. So guys, here you can come up with very simple sales system, having landing page and bridge page. Landing page where you offer any kind of lead magnet in exchange of email address, right? And bridge page where you bridge the gap between the subscriber and the affiliate offer that you are going to promote. Right, so yes, go and create your own sales system, guys. Just focus only on that. Right, so through that sales system you promote your affiliate offer. So I have created my sales system, guys. You can see I have created my landing page where I am offering my free lead magnet, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. Right, so second thing, or you can say thank you page or bridge page, this is the bridge page where I'm offering my affiliate offer. This is Work With Sebastian program, and on this page I'm also offering my you can say bonuses so that I can stand out from the competition, guys. Right, so this is what you need to do, guys. Go and create your own sales system, simple two-step sales system. That is sufficient, guys, right? And now finally, guys, here what you need to do, pick one traffic source and master it, guys. I would say traffic is not a problem at all. The problem is that you don't have your own platform. You are not focusing on one traffic source, guys. Guys, you tell me, if you learn about one traffic source for 6 months, will you be the master or not? I hope you will, guys. Your answer is yes. If you learn everything about one traffic source, then guys, within 6 months, you will be the master of that one traffic source. So guys, here I would say, don't try to learn every traffic source, guys. Same thing, or you can say same mistake I have done when I started my affiliate marketing business. At that point, I was trying to learn every traffic source, like how to do Google ads, Facebook ads, Twitter, blogging, YouTube. And in doing all that, I was like overwhelmed, guys, right? So guys, don't be that very person. Focus on one traffic source, guys. So here I would say, if you are beginner, then yes, you can go with Facebook or you can go with YouTube, guys. So pick one traffic source and master it, guys. That's it, right? And second thing, guys, what you need to do, or you can say not second thing, these are some points, guys, that you need to consider. Give at least 6 to 12 months time without any distraction, guys. Guys, don't dabble. It takes time, guys. Affiliate marketing business is a real business where you can make real money, guys, right? So yes, give at least 6 to 12 months time. And yes, don't dabble, have patience. Yes, it takes time. Don't jump on one shiny object to another shiny object. That's it, guys. This is what you need to do, guys, to make money online with affiliate marketing as a beginner, guys. If you do that, guys, I can say this thing, that within 6 to 12 months you will be able to make some money, or you can say you will be able to get results, guys, if you just focus on one thing, one problem, one affiliate product, one sales system, and one traffic source. That's it, guys. This is what you need, guys, to be successful in your affiliate marketing business, guys, right? And yes, let me just show you my funnel if you want to see my funnel. Yes, this is the product, guys, that I'm promoting, Work with Sebastian program, right? Yes, down below I will put the link. You can go and check out of this training, right? And yeah, you can see, guys, I have created my you can say 2 steps funnel to promote this same exact affiliate offer, guys, right? So you can see this is my first page, right? You can see, let me show you. Yeah, you can see. So this is my first page, landing page, and if someone click on that to get this book and submit his name and email address, then that very person will go to my next page, that is my bridge page, or you can say thank you page, where what I'm doing, guys, I'm offering my affiliate offer, that is Work with Sebastian program. So if someone come and click on that, then this very person will go to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting. You can see that, guys. Yep, you can see that. And if he goes through this training and later on decides to buy any product, then yes, I will be able to make commission, guys. So this is affiliate marketing, guys. Simple affiliate marketing. Don't try to do so many things, guys, right? So yes, on the same page, I'm offering my bonuses. Yes, if you go and buy anything from this training, then yes, I will give my bonuses. That is one-on-one coaching and 14 best affiliate program, right? And my done for you funnel, right? So yes, guys, offer bonuses, guys, just to stand out from the competition, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is what you need to do. And yes, if you want this same exact funnel, then yes, down below I will put the link of this funnel. You can go and download this same exact funnel inside your ClickFunnels account. Yes, guys, for getting this funnel, all you need to have ClickFunnels account, guys, right? So yes, if you don't have ClickFunnels account, down below I have also put the link of this ClickFunnels. It comes up with 14 days free trial. So yes, you can go and check out, guys, and there is no harm to check out this ClickFunnels for 14 days absolutely free, guys, right? And yes, guys, come on, understand this. Before promoting any affiliate offer, I would say go and check out this affiliate offer. Mean to say, you go and become the actual user of this very product. Never ever promote something that you are not using personally, guys, right? So yes, First you go through the training, and then when you think that yes, it's a great training, then yes, go and start promoting it, right? And same thing with ClickFunnels, right? First go with ClickFunnels, download it, this same exact funnel you need to download, right? I will put the link of this funnel. You can go and download this funnel, and yeah, all you need to just put your affiliate link, guys, here. If you want to promote same exact product, guys, here you need to, or you can come up with any other affiliate offer, guys. So it's up to you. So strategy will be the same, guys. You need to have landing page and bridge page, guys, right? So yes, guys, and yeah, if you go with ClickFunnels, don't think that it's a cost, guys. Think as a businessman. So whatever you pay, it's your investment, guys, right? Come up with a business mindset, not like a poor mindset. Don't say I can't afford, it's too much. Start thinking, how can I afford? And give at least 6 to 12 months time, right? So be ready to invest in you and in your affiliate marketing business, guys. If you come up with this mindset, then there is no doubt that you won't be successful. If you come up with you can say business mindset, then yes, very soon you will be able to see the results, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, guys, right? Now you know my best strategy, or you can say my best method to make money online with affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2021, right? And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you, guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, there is also bell notification button, so go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.